This is going to be a pretty quick video, especially compared to my last one. New keyboard here, replacing my Razer one. Pretty decent keyboard. Just don't really like Razer as a company, so I've been wanting to get rid of this one for a little while now. It's really dirty, overdue for a clean, but I thought, hey, I'm replacing it anyway. But yeah, I'm still probably gonna clean it before I get rid of it anyway. But yeah, here's the new one. I've already opened it up. I mean, you see I got the keys here, but I thought I'd just quickly throw it back in the box to give you the simulate the experience of opening this. I'm sure if you're watching this, you're probably looking to buy this keyboard. You've probably seen other unboxings, so you're probably going to skip this part anyway. But yeah, let's get it open, and I'm going to talk about what I'm going to do in this video. If I can open this with one hand, yes I can. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to have like a little look at it, type on it a little bit, let you know what it sounds like, do a comparison with that. And I'm also, I'm filming this video at 60 FPS, which I don't usually do. But what I want to do is compare, because you can use this in wired and Bluetooth mode. So I want to record me pressing a key, see how long it takes for it to register on here, and try my best. It's nothing scientific about this at all. Just going to try my best to time it in a post to kind of give you and me, I want to know like response times, because, you know, looking the game on this as well. So, you know, whether I need to see whether or not I should be using this in wired mode for gaming. I'm also going to compare it to this as well in terms of response time. So lots going to happen in this video. Let's get this little plastic thing off. And here she is. All right, so of course we've got the keyboard. It's quite a bit of heft to it. Really nice feeling build, solid. What else we got? We got whatever this thing is. You that. Some instructions. You got you put your keycap puller outer and your switch puller outer. And we got a cable as well. Pretty nice cable. I like the right angle fit on there. Just USB 2. I don't think there's any USB ports on this, which is something I'm going to miss on this one. I got a nice little USB port here, which I use for game controllers. Not going to be able to do that anymore, so I'm going to have to plug them all the way in up there. Oh dear. By default, this thing comes set up for Mac OS, which is interesting considering Mac owners are the minority. You would think, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe more Mac owners buy these keyboards. Who am I to say? Here are our Windows keys and some alternate keys as well. Like, you know, if you want this to be orange, you can have it be orange. If you don't want this to be orange, then you can have it not be orange. You got the option. Away with you, option key. I don't think this is meant to be done with one hand. And here is our brown switch. Completely inaudible to you, I'm sure. So I am going to get my Windows keys put on here. I don't know what this is meant to be. Maybe this is for Linux or I know. This is like for there. It all makes sense now. There we go. We have our Windows layout keys all installed. Also forgot to mention, this is a UK layout keyboard, so we got a proper sized enter key. Not like, you know, the one that's that size. Hate it. This, love it. So yeah, let's get to doing things. I've already connected this to my PC. We have our switches here. Let me get my keycaps out of the way. Here's for cable mode, off, Bluetooth, Mac OS, Windows, and this is where you connect it, and this is a screw. Let's put it into Bluetooth mode. And the lights light up. Would you look at that? Click this and you got loads of different light modes. As far as I'm aware, you can't like customize it with software, which kind of sucks. Wow. Wow, would you look at this? Is this on properly? You go on. You stay there properly. Why? Unless it's meant to be over there. Because there's like 2 Windows keys. Wait, what? Do I just need to like... Why is that so different? Is it meant to be? Well, why is that so far up? You gotta like really push these down. Damn. Oh, that's a bit better now. Yeah, need a bit of force to get those installed properly. Still doesn't look quite right, especially with this. It's not gonna go in anymore. Okay, that will do. Did I install these properly? Just give these another little push down. All the other keys that I installed. I think they're okay now. Okay, let's do some sound tests. So I'm using my King Bee. You can see the silhouette of the King Bee there. Let's brighten that up so you can see it is actually a bee. No, I'm gonna do no post-processing on these sound tests apart from turning the volume up for the same amount for both keyboards. Just so it's audible and you can hear it and you don't have to turn your volume up. Just recorded a whole sound test. I wasn't even recording. One thing that's going to take me a little while to get used to is with these switches. I'm going to do a close-up here. You're going to see how disgusting these are. Really sorry. Like, you see, when it's actuated, there is like all this point, and when I get to the top there, when it's no longer actuated, there's like a very definite point. Like, it's very audible. And I can also feel it in my finger a lot. Here, I can't find that point where it actuates. Aaron from the future here. I've been using this keyboard for a little while now. Wow, it's really dark in here. Here you go, got the light on now. I know these keys are pre-lubricated, so I don't know if maybe I just needed to click them a few times, but now... I'm finding it a lot more tactile than it was when I first got it. And you can kind of see there that distinct bump. I don't know if it's because my other switches weren't lubricated. Maybe I'm too used to that and I'm not used to, I guess, the more smooth glide that this has, or that I just needed to click it a few times, or, you know, it's just a matter of getting used to it. I don't know. Anyway, back to the video. What we're going to do now is we're going to try it in Bluetooth and in wired and see what kind of input delay, if any, which I'm sure there will be some, we can record. Don't know how well this is going to work. Never tried to do anything like this before. Let's get these out the way and give this a shot. So unsurprisingly, the gaming keyboard is more responsive than the keyboard that isn't designed for gaming. Kind of expected that. if those 5 milliseconds of difference really bother you, maybe you should be looking at a more traditional gaming keyboard. But honestly, 5 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, I don't think I'm going to notice that. I'm going to try playing a game of Warzone with this in Bluetooth mode, see whether I can feel that 20 milliseconds of delay. Again, I'm really doubting I will be able to feel it, but, you know, just to test it and, you know, to see what it feels like. If I don't like it, I'll just play it in wired mode. It's not the end of the world. Switching to my phone's microphone just for this one section here. I have auto deploy parachute off, so I like to deploy my parachute right when I get very close to the ground. So the fact that I'm able to do that kind of shows this is adequate. It is just fine, even in Bluetooth mode. Absolutely no issues at all using this in Bluetooth mode on Warzone. I'm not, you know, a top player by any means. I'm terrible at this game. So I'm sure, you know, if you're a very, very good player who's, you know, playing on like, you know, 144 hertz refresh rate, maybe even higher, and you're used to, you know, a wired gaming keyboard, you probably will notice the 20 milliseconds of delay. But for, you know, for just a bit of casual gaming, it's absolutely fine. I think it's good. And also I had a little look on Reddit, and there's a couple of posts here claiming that you can use OpenRGB to control the RGB lights on this, which is very cool. I might do that at some point. I'm not too fussed right now. I'm, you know, pretty happy with it as it is. I'm not, as you can tell by my PC, I'm not the biggest RGB fan in the world. Literally just the cooler because it came with it, and you know, if my processor didn't come with this cooler, I wouldn't have it. I'd have like, you know, a AIO or the tower cooler or something. I don't know. This is nice. It's fine. I'm happy with it. The more I use it, the more I like it, because I'm coming from clicky green Razer switches, and then, you know, going to like these very strange. It's going to take a little while to get used to it, but I have to say, really like the sound. Just this much more muted sound. I forgot to record it. I just realized I forgot to record this audio with the King Bee, so it's going to sound different to compared to the rest of the video. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more TechLawls coming soon, and you guys take care now.